Everybody always wants that wild success story. The fact that they went in there, they bought a cryptocurrency at 10, 20, 50x in value, and all of a sudden, you made a lot of money. Well, I do believe that Shiba Inu coin is still has the potential to run up very high in price. It's just going a lot slower than a lot of people want. But that's simply because we haven't transitioned yet. We haven't transitioned from that Bitcoin cycle to the altcoin cycle to the meme coin cycle. And when we do, when that transition happens, it's going to be too late for you to go out there and buy. But you guys, you're most likely already a Shiba Inu coin holder, which is absolutely perfect. Now, we're going to be talking about what whales are doing right now. We're going to be talking about billions of Shiba Inu coin, and we're going to be talking about what's next for the price of Shiba Inu coin. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over what's next for Shiba Inu coin in this video. But I also want to say, I've been diversifying into these tiny little meme coins. Wall Street Pepe has been phenomenal so far. Not only is it rising in price and rising quickly in price, it's doing $500,000 a day in sales right now. It was doing $6 million a day just a couple of weeks ago after the euphoria following Pepe Unchained. And I believe that it can do even better than Pepe Unchained did. I believe that it could see even greater than 6-7x returns in a 48-hour period because the demand is stronger. These guys, Wall Street Pepe does have pretty good utility, and so did Pepe Unchained. But, dude, if this alpha trading group really kicks off, you are going to want to own. I mean, trust me, you are going to want to own some Wall Street Pepe. So we're going to be talking about that. Just a brief second. $37.3 million. Now, if you guys want to jump in and you need a tutorial, type in how to buy Wall Street Pepe on my channel. I put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, show you guys everything to click on, all that good stuff. I have bought into this token because I believe in two things. Number one, demand speaks for itself. The amount of people pouring in, $37 million pouring in a 3-week period, shows you that people want this. Number two, it's been done before. Think about this. Not only has the price action been done before, and the gains been done before in Pepe Unchained, so these people who are pouring into Wall Street Pepe know what they're doing, but the alpha groups have been done before. Wall Street Bets, guys, 17 million members. 17 million members in their alpha group. And if that's the same thing, I mean, I can't imagine that Wall Street Pepe is going to be at 17 million anytime soon. But the same way that you put something in Wall Street Bets in 2021 and it skyrocketed in value, I imagine the same thing could happen for Wall Street Pepe. You put something in this alpha group and it skyrockets in value simply because the group goes out there and buys it. So I am very excited on all fronts about what Wall Street Pepe is doing. I am buying in. I want to know if you guys are buying in down there. But let's talk a little bit more about Shiba Inu coin right now, because a lot of people are left wondering, what is happening? Is the price up? Is the price down? Well, I do have some good news. We're going to go over the price action in a second here. It says meme coin prices have plunged alongside the wider cryptocurrency market in the last 48 hours, and Shiba Inu coin's market cap, second largest meme coin, posted 3% losses in the last 24 hours as the sell-off took a sharp turn. Other meme coins have traded along similar lines, further plunging market sentiment. Now, in the last 24 hours, whales have offloaded huge SHIB token amounts, pushing the asset further into the red zone. Crypto analytics firm Look On Chain flagged a huge scale activity. A crypto whale sold 250 billion SHIB, worth approximately $6 million, aiming to take profits before further damage. Look, I can't even imagine trading $6 million at a time. So I don't know what that guy's sentiment is right now. It seems like he's already made it. It seems like he's got enough. And I imagine $6 million isn't his entire portfolio. So if he wants to take his profit on $6 million, let him take his profit. Let him book a loss. Whatever he's doing on $6 million. He's still got a lot of money. And he's got what everybody else wants. Right? But here's what you can't do. You cannot get emotional before you get to your goal. If that guy's at his goal, perfect. You and I, we cannot get emotional. So we see something like this happen, and we wonder, is it over now? No, it is not over. Guys, I have to remind myself daily that it is not even started yet. The cryptocurrency bull market. Imagine thinking that the crypto bull run was over in June of 2017. Bitcoin might have been at $1,000. And then you see it rip up to $20,000. Imagine thinking that the bull run was over in December of 2020. It hadn't even started yet, guys. It hadn't even started yet. You would have missed out on Bitcoin all the way up from essentially $3,000 to $69,000. You would have missed out on Dogecoin from a penny to 72 cents. From Shiba Inu coin, basically nothing, to a $40 billion valuation. It's the same thing for people who think it's over right now. It is not over. It hasn't even started yet. So we got to get that in our heads, and I have to remind myself of that. Because when I see prices down a little bit, I start to wonder. Especially when you read all these stupid news articles telling you that it is over. It's crazy, man. They got me in 2020. They got me in the whole fad, the bubble burst. Millennials are idiots for buying something so speculative. Yeah. Not going to get me again, I'll tell you that right now. Bitcoin up just 0.5% today. However, Shiba Inu coin up 3%. You've got Pepe up 6.5%. Ethereum's up 2%. Solana's up 3%. I don't know if we're witnessing the transition from Bitcoin as the main focus to altcoins and meme coins as the main focus. But that's where retail gets intrigued. Retail investors, let me put it this way. They're emotional to a fault, absolutely, but they're not idiots. Okay? They may be overcome by their emotions, and it's a detriment, right? When prices are low, they sell, they get scared, and they panic. When prices are high, they want to buy, they FOMO in. And that's unfortunate. Because if they were logical, they would want to buy when prices are low, and they would want to sell when prices are high. But they're not idiots, right? They understand. They can look at graphs. They understand what the price is doing. They can look at news articles. They understand the market sentiment. And they understand that meme coins are the focus of this bull market. They understand. They're out there searching for which meme coins to buy now. And when they figure that out, and when the market starts to rise and their confidence is built up enough to go in and buy, that's when the revolution begins. And if demand is this high right now, if interest is this high right now, as soon as they get the confidence to pull that trigger and buy, it's going to be way too late. Prices are across the board are going to soar higher, and I'm here for it. If you guys need a place to invest, you've got the KSEX exchange and the BitUnix exchange. Now, BitUnix, depending on what crypto you buy, offers up to 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage. And the KSEX exchange, these guys have the best combination of meme coins that I have ever seen on any centralized exchange in the United States. They offer up to 100x leverage, down to 5x leverage. So make sure to check out both of these exchanges. Both of them have exclusive new user rewards up to $5,500 depending on your deposit. And look at this one, $200 just for binding your X account and sharing their link. Take advantage of all of it. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.